The Londonderry Air, or Danny Boy, is one of the most popular of traditional Irish melodies. And it is one that John Samuel, again, has arranged with great skill. And he is conducting us in this version of it. And then we follow that with probably the best known of all Welsh male voice items. It is Joseph Parry's Immortal Myfanwy. And she's a tough old bird, is Myfanwy. He composed this in the 1870s when he was the first professor of music, Wales's first professor of music in Aberystwyth University College. Interestingly, Joseph Parry could have taken this to any number of music publishers in Wales. There were several in Aberystwyth, in Merthyr, in Wrexham, but he took it to Isaac Jones of Treherbert. It was as if he sensed that the Rhondda was going to embark on a golden period of Welsh male voice singing. And he thought, the future is here, and they will enjoy Myfanwy in the Rhondda. And of course we do, and it's been enjoyed throughout Wales ever since.
Tis you,